Founded in 2000, Promate Solutions delivers customer-defined LCD touch display products for medical diagnostic, embedded touch systems, and specialized touch-enabled applications. We customize hardware and software solutions for human-machine interface applications and cloud telemetry. Our multifaceted expertise in software, optical, mechanical, and electrical engineering delivers fully customized solutions to meet our customers' unique product requirements. Customers can rely on our mature, advanced product quality planning framework to satisfy any strict industrial standards. Promate is a recognized, preferred supplier to global medical brands for our stringent quality and manufacturing capabilities. Our proprietary optical engineering expertise has been applied to the manufacture of medical imaging products for over a decade. Our proprietary cloud-based technology, PS Critica and PS Taptic, was created to adopt smart technology in the management of vending machines while maximizing revenue and profit for the operators. Promate's manufacturing lines have been optimized to support highly complex but low-volume builds. We created a traceability system to record the history of every product we manufacture, from raw material receipt to field deployment to end of life. Error-proofing, sequence-based fastening, and optical performance testing are amongst a few methodologies we've developed to optimize image and performance quality in the products we build. Our Class 1000 clean room provides in-house optical bonding and other LCD display-related enhancements. The result is a reputation for manufacturing excellence and superior product life for our customers. Promate Solutions, a leader in the design and manufacture of human-machine interface solutions.